Hello, in this video I'm gonna do an update on HP Chromebook 14A. To make an update, first go to the settings, and let's also talk about why updates are important. It makes your device run smoothly, securely, and have the newest features, so it's, I think, really worth it. If you go to About Chrome OS in Settings, you can find Check for Updates button. Once you click on it, it'll tell you if your Chromebook is up to date. And it turns out mine is. If yours is not, you'll have an option to simply update it right here. And once you do it, it'll start downloading the update, then we'll start installing it. Later on, it will prompt you to restart the device to apply the update. And once you do that, by the way, it should be plugged into power if you're applying the update. Once you do that, the newest version will be available. You can also find firmware updates. You can see that it says that all firmware is up to date. And it's for external devices. So if you have some external devices that get firmware updates, then you can also see that. And that's basically it. Also, you can change the channel of updates, but you can only do it on an administrator account. I'm currently logged into a different account. But if I were on an administrator, I could change the channel to beta, so I could get the beta version updates of the beta version system. And I'm gonna show you how it works, although I would not recommend doing that unless this is not your main device, because sometimes the beta update may make your device unusable until there is a new update rolled out. So probably don't want that. I wouldn't want that on my main device, honestly. So yeah, if I go in there, I can go to additional details, change channel. You can set it to stable, beta, or developer, which is unstable. I'm gonna change it to beta myself just to see how the update looks like. You can see it started updating, but I'm gonna go back to the stable channel. So I'm not bothered with it. And yeah, it's done. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.